Hey guys, I know I have not updated in a while. Um, Once again, I'm in the bed. As always, when I do these videos for some reason, I just came home from my third biopsy. Um, yeah, I feel good for the most part. I just took some Excedrin. I completely forgot to take it before. Um, But yeah, this third one, the second and third one have actually been way more painful than the first one. My uterine lining was so thick that I really didn't even feel the scraping. But the second and third one have been way more painful. But we're 75% done. I am really looking forward for this to be over. My doctor, we're definitely in a spot where she's kind of getting more excited because it's getting closer to like baby time, hopefully. I had this biopsy today, which is February 4th, and then now I have 4 months until the next one, which is going to be in June. I believe we scheduled it for June 3rd, so I am super excited. Daryl and I both are really excited. This one hurt a lot, but I was just speaking through it. I feel like when you speak to your nurses and your doctor while it's happening, it makes it go by so much quicker, and you don't really think about it. And I was holding my husband's hand and I was just breathing through it. That's the main trick. Like, if you guys are getting biopsies, if you're watching this, the main trick is to like, well, this is what I do at least, is I look up and I just breathe like through it, because the area down there tenses up just because it's not used to being poked at, like, and being scraped, so it tenses up naturally. So by breathing through it, it helps it like not tense up. So that's how I deal with it. But yeah, I've been feeling really good. I've actually lost 10 pounds in the last month, so that's been pretty awesome. Daryl and I actually just joined a gym, so I'm super excited. We do have an area here at the house to work out, but I'm a basketball player. Like, I'm a baller, and I love playing basketball to work out. I could play basketball all day and not even think that I'm working out because I love it so much. So we joined a gym that has a basketball courts, and I am so stoked for that. We're gonna start working out. Today's what? Today's Tuesday. I had to let my body rest for like 2 days, so we probably won't work out until the weekend or Monday. Because I can't, like, I had to let my body heal or whatever. You can't do anything for the next 2 days, anything like exercising or whatever. And I know with basketball you move around a lot, and I'm like, I don't want to like do anything to like, you know, hurt myself. So yeah, we're gonna start working out probably on Monday. And then I have 4 months to like lose as much weight as possible, because in June I'm getting a biopsy. And if that comes back negative again, then we're taking this IUD out and it's going to be baby making time. So I want to lose as much weight as possible. So if we get pregnant, I'll be in like the best shape of my life, which I'm so excited for. We've been really busy with work, so that's all that's been going on. We started eating healthier. We started cooking a lot more. I got a Ninja Foodie, which has been life-changing. If you guys have not tried the Ninja Foodie, I'll link it down below so you guys can check it out. It's the best thing, the best invention ever. I love it. But yeah, guys, that's a little health update. Other than that, life's been going good. I've been feeling the healthiest I have felt. My body has definitely reacted very well to this IUD, which thank God, because if my body hadn't reacted well to the IUD, then we definitely wouldn't even know. Well, my doctor would know what to do. But it would just mean that I'm way, like, I believe she said that if your body doesn't react to the IUD well, that means that you're not too far gone, but you need a different type of treatment, I guess. Because she basically, like, even though it's pre-cancer, you're still looked at as a cancer patient, and you need to have a treatment or something like that. I forgot what she said, something like that. So it's kind of crazy to think that way, because like you don't want to think of yourself as a cancer patient. But yeah, so I can't believe that I've been dealing with this for almost 2 years. Like in November, it would be 2 years, which is crazy. But we're definitely almost there. We're almost to the finish line. It's all worth it. It's all worth it for the babies and also for my health, because as much as we want to have a baby, this is kind of a life or death situation. If I don't take care of it, this could lead somewhere very, very bad. So of course, babies are definitely a goal of this, but also my health is very important because I want to live. So I'm really, 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 really excited that this is almost over. God willing. God has been so good through this whole process. Like, I know it's hard to look at the positive side of things when you're going through something like this, especially when it's cancer or any type of like illness. It's very, very scary to hear it come out of the doctor's mouth. But when you really like sit there and reflect, God will not give you something you can't handle. Like, I have learned how strong I am through this whole process so much. Like, even like aside from like the pain tolerance, like I've always had high pain tolerance, so I wasn't really worried about that. But the emotional state you have to be in to go through this is, you have to be strong. And it's crazy. You don't really know your strength until you go through something like this. And my faith has gotten so much stronger. My walk with God has gotten so much stronger. And I just, in a weird way, I appreciate this happening to me, if that makes any sense. Because it's definitely made me realize that God is with you through everything. And through the good and bad. I am probably going to knock out. I feel like I start these and end these the same way, like in the bed, saying I'm about to knock out. It's always the same thing. But after a biopsy, you literally feel like you feel exhausted. I actually asked them if I could see the tissue, and they took a lot out. I was like, wow, because she was scraping for a good like 2 or 3 minutes. I just told her, I'm like, take as much as you can. I just want to like make sure it's like gone. So hopefully we get some good news soon. I'm actually going to start documenting my health journey. If you guys want to see like recipe videos and stuff like that, comment down below and let me know. But yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for your love and your support. I know I've been missing on my YouTube channel. I have so many ideas for videos, and I promise you guys, as soon as life settles down, I will start filming more videos. I just wanted to do this update video because I know a lot of you guys are really invested in this, and I appreciate it. And I know a lot of you guys are going through the same thing. So I want to make sure that you guys know, like, you're not alone, and I'm here. And if you guys need anything, feel free to message me, DM me on my Instagram, and I will get back to you. I talk to so many of you guys that have gone through the same thing, that are going through the same thing. And it's so sad that there's so many of us that are going through this, and we're so young, because this is like an old lady's disease. And for girls our age to be going through this, it sucks. It sucks. And I know it's tough, but know that you guys are not alone, and I am there for you guys. So make sure you message me. Oh, my hand's shaking. So make sure you message me on Instagram, and I will get back to you guys on there. But yeah, so now we wait for the biopsy results and see what happens. So I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
Just want to let you know that the endometrial biopsy results came back normal.